Here's our staircase. It used to be carpet, but we refinished it with some vinyl. The problem is the balusters are now a bit short. The bottom of the balusters have a cylinder-shaped extension that simply dropped into the trimming, which we removed. So basically, I need to create shoes that these balusters can drop into, and at the same time, be able to mount these shoes down onto the steps, just like the one you see here on one of the balusters. The top of the baluster simply inserts into the rail above. So let's get started. I have my table saw set up here, and I've got a simple shop vac to help reduce dust. I went ahead and cut out 11 pieces of square blocks. By the way, if you are interested in any of the tools I've used, I have Amazon links to them in the description of this video. These are affiliate links, and if you use them, I earn a small commission from your purchase on Amazon. This helps support my channel. So, after cutting out blocks, I went ahead and switched over to my routing table. This universal routing table is designed to work with almost any hand router. I have mounted my Porter cable router inside. I proceed to bevel all 4 edges of each block. Next up, I move over to my drill press and insert a Forstner bit. At the center of each shoe, I drill large holes that the baluster's bottoms will drop into. I then use a small drill bit to drill out a small hole all the way through the center of the shoe. I will put a screw through this hole to mount the shoes onto the steps. With each shoe now done, I go ahead and hand sand them to make sure they are nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and check how it fits. I'd say it's pretty good. So now we will proceed to painting. But first we are going to need to spray some primer so that the paint will stick. I did 2 coats of primer, let it dry for a bit, and then brushed on 2 coats of paint. And here's how they look after painting. Alright. To figure out where to mount the shoes, I used the plumb bob. This is a simple tool with a string and a weighted bob at the bottom. I held up the string from the point on the rail where the baluster will be inserted, and I let gravity vertically align the bob to the step below where the shoe should be mounted. I used this tape to mark the positions of each shoe, and I dry fitted all the balusters. Once I was sure that they are all aligned and they look good, it was time to screw down the shoes into position. I went ahead and used the countersink bit to create a conical shape. This allows the screw to drop all the way down and become flush with the surface. And here's the final result. I think it came out pretty nice. I would love to know what you guys think in the comments. And thanks for watching.